This is where I normally hold this up and do my thumbnails. And I should be taping as I do this. Because when I took this out of its plastic overwrap that she sends it in a priority bag. The scent was immediately so lovely and uplifting that I just want to talk about it. This is our Souther Fleek Bath box for the month. Let's get into it and find out what smells so good. Souther Fleek Bath is Nikki Ward. She has an Etsy shop. I will put the link below along with my code that will get you 10% off in her shop. She does a subscription box. She does just regular things in her shop. If you don't want to sign up for a subscription box, she has individual items. I came across her in a different subscription box. I don't say it like it's past tense. I am so taken by the scents that she puts together. They are magnificent. Just realized my glasses are on my head. Oh well, so be it. Let us open this and see what we have. Oh, it smells so good. And this is the January 2023 box, always wrapped up so well. I would like, what is that? Maybe strawberry, fruity. It's definitely got fruity going on. It smells so good. Ta-da! All right on top we have something pretty and rainbowy. Oh, it is what smells. It smells so stinking good. So stinking good. Get it? Okay. And we have this sticker, which tells us what all of our goodies are in the side. And this is Be a Superstar in 2023 Bubble Bar. Enjoy mounds of fluffy bubbles by dissolving a chunk under running water in the mesh bag provided and agitate it until desired bubbles are reached. A blend of strawberries, raspberries, and vanilla with soft notes of violet and jasmine. A professional duplication of Rockstar by Lush, not affiliated with Lush Cosmetics. That is so cool. I just undid my Lush Kitchen box for January also and had a very long conversation in that about do I use all of these products, where I explained yes I do. I love to take baths. I love to indulge in the decadence of it. I have started even using full products when I do, not just partial products, because I do have them and it's so decadent. It just, you get all of the scent, all of the color. Can you imagine how pretty that is going to make a bath? I don't even have to open this one. This is what I could smell through the box. It is amazing. Oh, it is just amazing. So you can just put it right back in here and crumble it and let it be under the running water and do bubbles. I generally don't do that. I usually put it in my hand and just kind of hold my hand and do this under the running water. But you do you, boo. That is so pretty and smells so good. Next we have, ooh, what is this? Bath Bomb Dust. Shimmer and Shine. That is so stinking cool. I have never even heard of this. What is this? 2022 is dust. Shimmer and Shine in 2023 Bath Bomb Dust. Dissolve in a warm bath and enjoy shimmery turquoise water that sparkles and shines in light. Top notes of coconut, middle notes of cream, and bottom notes of cocoa butter. How fantastic does that sound? She sent the bag even in a heat sealed bag so that if there were any issues with the bag it's in, it wouldn't have become a bigger issue. I'm opening it. You guys know I'm opening it. I will be taking a bath soon. I mean, I just literally opened my Lush box and had decided what I was going to bathe in tonight. And 2 products in, I've already bumped my Lush to maybe tomorrow night. Oh, that smells good. That smells so good. I can absolutely smell the coconut. Can you guys see? It looks like bath bomb parts. I mean, clearly it's not like it was an accident and what was left over. There's way too much for that. That is such a fun idea because you now totally control how much you put in your bath. So if you just wanted to put a couple of scoops in and have this for a lot of baths, you could do that. If you want to put half in, you could do that too. How much does it tell you to put in? As much or as little as you like. Okay, challenge accepted. Next out, ooh. We have Souther Fleek Bath, now in 2023 Bubbly Shower Jelly. That is what that looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says. Shower Jelly. Brand new in 2023, this bubbly concoction will be your new favorite body wash. Great for shaving or just washing, and a little goes a long way. Plus, it's really fun to use. Scented in oatmeal milk and honey. The top notes are the honey, middle notes are the oatmeal, nestled in a bed of milk cream. Can I screw the lid off? Yes. Oh, perfect, it's sealed. Oh, that's nice. Oatmeal, milk, and honey. I might be too inundated by these big fruity scents. Okay, all right, I get it now. I had to move away. It smells good. I'm not sure what I smell. I'm kind of becoming smell blind because those first two products smell so good. Oh look, it's got the little, oh yeah, nice, so cute. Totally gonna use that soon. Next out we have this. Yep, this. That is what that looks like, and it is lemongrass shower steamers. Yay! So many of you guys talk about that you don't have baths and you wish there were shower products. Here are a couple of shower products, and I can totally, without even opening the bag or in the plastic that they're in the bag, totally get the lemongrass through that. Lemongrass shower steamers. Have a spa experience in your shower with these strong, refreshing shower steamers. Hang or place in corner of shower, made with essential oil. Hang. So you think if they just get moist, they continue to make the smell? I've only ever had the kind that you set in the corner because they had to keep getting wet because that's how they continued to make their scent. Okay, I'm gonna try hanging it when I shower. And last out, it's a champagne flute. I was looking at it like that. I thought it was gonna be a squeeze tube. I didn't see this. How stinking cute is that? Oh my goodness. And it says, Happy New Year. Oh my gosh. She just does the best stuff. This is the Champagne Bath Bomb. Last month in the box, one of our bath bombs was in like a teacup and saucer. This is in a champagne flute. How fun is that? Cheers to the New Year Bath Bomb Champagne Flute. Enjoy this sweet peach Bellini scented bath bomb by just dropping it into the tub. Take out the flute when fizzing stops. Top notes of peach, middle notes of vanilla, and the bottom note of champagne. Again, I think that these two are so powerful that I'm struggling to get the rest. I'm just gonna have to take her word that it smells like peach. She's never given me one reason to doubt her when it comes to scents. She does the best scents. How fun is that? Would make just the prettiest gift. If you were putting together even if you saved it for a year because because it does say Happy New Year on the top, if you could save it, good for you. You're stronger than me. I could never save it. I will for sure use it. But this would be so cute in a little basket, even like at Christmas time. It's February 6th. Is it too late? I don't think it is. You can make somebody some cookies, put a little bottle of wine in it, put this in it, maybe a good book. You'd have a really perfect gift. Okay, that was the January Souther Fleek Bath box, her subscription box. I will put the link below along with my code, and that will get you 10% off in the store. But in this one, we got the Champagne Flute Bath Bomb. This huge, by the way, lovely honey and oat milk shower jelly. The Bath Bomb Dust, so fun. This beautiful rainbow that's a bubble bar, give you lots of bubbles, and shower steamers in lemongrass. That is a full box of goodness. I love this box. Do you love this box? Let me know below what you think. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you taking the time always to be with the channel. This is a Happy New Year box. I know we're into February, but I would just like to take the opportunity to say I appreciate you guys and all the time you take here at the channel and talking with me. It's always so much fun. I love our little community. It comes out a lot. It comes out a lot in FabFitFun season, but even throughout the rest of the season, it's just a fantastic community. You're great with me. You're great with each other. Oh my goodness. When you guys reach out and help each other or lift each other up, it's just, yep, I could tear up. I'm not gonna cry. It would be ridiculous. I appreciate it so much. And we just went over 17,000, which also such a blessing. So I really appreciate you guys. And I thank you for taking the time to be here. Have a great evening.